In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Twilio phone number. By the end, you'll have a working number you can use for voice calls, SMS, MMS, or even fax depending on what you select. First, log into your Twilio account and open the console. Once you're in, head to the phone numbers area. This is where all number management happens, and it's the place you'll return to later for configuration. Open the phone numbers section to view your options. Next, choose Buy a Number. This takes you to Twilio's searchable catalog. Start by selecting the country where you want the number to live. Your choice determines available area codes, formats, pricing, and regulatory rules. If you have a preference for local or toll-free, you can refine for that. Local numbers tend to feel familiar to callers in a specific region, while toll-free is great for nationwide reach and brand consistency. Go ahead and run a search. You'll see a list of numbers that match your criteria. Take a moment to browse through them. Each result shows a monthly price, and you'll also see capability indicators. This is important. Pick a number whose capabilities match your use case. Voice enables phone calls. SMS lets you send and receive text messages. MMS allows media like images. Fax is available on certain numbers if your workflow needs it. If messaging is critical, make sure SMS and MMS are both supported. Not every number offers every capability. When you find one that fits, proceed to buy. Twilio will present a confirmation screen with pricing details and purchase terms. Review these to understand the monthly cost and any usage charges. If everything looks good, agree to the terms and conditions. This agreement is required to activate the number and ensure it's used in line with Twilio's policies. Click Buy again to finalize. Twilio will process your request, and in a moment, your new number will be added to your account. You'll see it listed in your phone numbers area, ready to use. That's the full flow. Log in, open phone numbers, choose Buy a Number, pick the country, search, browse, confirm the capabilities you need, buy, accept the terms, and complete the purchase. From here, you can later configure call handling and messaging settings, connect webhooks, or integrate the number into your applications. If you don't see exactly what you need at first, try adjusting your country or filtering for different capabilities and number types. Availability can change, and a quick refresh often reveals new options. You now have your Twilio phone number. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with it.